How to fix Roomba not charging. So basically just a few things you can try. The most common stuff. So you're gonna have to put in mind if your Roomba is not charging and it may stop mid clean, fail to turn on, or those kind of stop. This is usually caused by dirty charging contacts, a faulty dock, battery problems, or power connection issues. But if it's not, then it's usually a deeper problem and it's gonna need a more technical support. But you can try a few things first before you do those advanced stuff for your little Roomba. So you're gonna have to check the dock power. Make sure your docking power or here or whatever you have is plugged directly into a wall outlet. So avoid using power strips or extension cords to test that out first and confirm the dock's indicator light turns on or wherever the light is for yours. Another is to once you make sure that your dock is on and working properly, then you're gonna have to clean both. So the contact points of the dock itself and then the Roomba. So you can use a cloth, something like this. Just go ahead and clean it. Clean it carefully. You don't have to give it too much pressure since you're just cleaning off some dust. So place the Roomba manually on the dock and make sure you're doing this on a unpowered dock and an unpowered Roomba. So make sure you turn them off first. So wipe the metal charging contacts on both on the robot and dock using a dry cloth or something similar, and then just put in mind that dust and debris can block proper electrical contact. You can also try repositioning the Roomba itself. So instead of letting it go to the dock itself, you can place the Roomba manually on the dock. So ensure the charging contacts align correctly and the charging light should turn on within a few seconds. And if the light doesn't appear, the robot is not seated properly. And finally, you can just go ahead and try restarting the Roomba itself. So for a closer look, go ahead to the clean button and you can go ahead and hold that button for a few seconds, but maybe something around 10 to 20 seconds. Wait for the reboot sound or lights and then place it back on the dock. This resets minor software glitches that affect charging, and make sure your dock and wire itself is working. So you can go ahead and inspect it for any problems, maybe burns for some reason, and especially on the wire. So check the power cable for damage. You can try a different wall outlet and make sure the dock charging contacts are not bent or loose or those kind of stuff. So a faulty dock or cable can prevent charging, and with that as a basis, you can try fixing your Roomba that isn't charging. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. Those are a few things you can try to help you with this problem. So if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.